Got some night crawlers for nighttime. Pretty ironic. Haven't fished here in a while, so I don't know if the bites will be good. But they definitely bite. When it comes down to it, they usually definitely bite. Make it a good cast in. That works. Oh, big. Oh, look at this rock bass. A bigger one, bit it, and then caught this one instead. Pretty cool. Throwing them back. Oh yeah, they're definitely biting still, which is really good to know. So this should be a short trip. Still got worm on there.